Are you hitting your MIDI keyboard and hearing the sound a half second later? In this year, if you aren't using a dedicated ASIO driver, you're essentially producing with one hand tied behind your back. And today I'm showing you the direct link method to connect your audio interface to FL Studio so you can record and produce with zero lag. Let's get your hardware synced. Right, and firstly, you need to open up your audio settings. And under the device dropdown, look for the ASIO section. And this year's move is as follows. Always select the specific driver named after your hardware, like Focusrite USB ASIO or UA Thunderbolt. Avoid the primary sound driver at all costs. If you don't have an interface yet, FL Studio ASIO is your best fallback. But for professional work, that dedicated driver is non-negotiable. So you go here and then choose your proper devices. So this is mandatory. And now you can click the Show ASIO panel. So this little green icon, once again. And look for buffer length. For recording and live playing, set this to 128 and or 256 samples. And the pro tip also, if your project starts crackling because you have 50 plugins open, move it up to 1024 samples to give your CPU room to breathe. Then, in this year, you can also just click the Go for AI icon in the toolbar, right over here, and you can, for example, type Gopher, optimize my buffer for recording, and it will analyze your CPU load and snap it to the lowest stable setting for you instantly. And your interface is now the heart of your studio. Hopefully the setup guide helped you get your signal clear. If it did, like and subscribe.